Hi children, good morning. Welcome back to my class. In your previous classes, you learned about the importance of food and also different methods of cooking food and preservation food and also don't waste food also. Today we are going to see about the food we need lesson in your textbook. See, these are the learning objectives. Peoples will be able to give examples of different food items and their ingredients and ask questions to understand the different food items and explain the methods of food preparation and preservation and prepare and preserve food and appreciate different food sources and at last minimize the wastage of food. First, they given variety of food. Activity 1. Look at the following food items in the stall. And coming to see these all pictures of different food items. In that first, rice, fish curry, bamboo chicken, ice cream and sprouts, kheer, vada, potikalu, kiwi, potato sticks, ragi sankati, rose milk, jackfruit, gulab jamun, laddu, apples. Not only these varieties, so many different varieties of food is there in our surroundings. Based on that activity, here they given one table. Write the names of the above food items in the table given below. See, I like to eat and I don't like to eat. Children, if we in these items, which items do you want or do you like? So write in that I like to eat and what you don't like to eat, that things you have to write in that next box. And I have never eaten before and I have never seen before. This also you have to mention in this box. And coming to the activity 2. What did you eat yesterday? Make a list, ask your classmates and what they ate yesterday and write in the table below. See here table 2 they given name of the students and food eaten. So you have to write and you have to ask your friends and after that you mention your friend's name in this list and after that what are their food items before they eaten, that you have to write in this table. See, based on that table, they asked one question. Did all the students eat the same type of food? Isn't it? No. Are there any common food items in the above list? So here, prepare menu chart of the food served for a week during midday meal in your surroundings or in your school. We take different types of food every day, but some of the food items like rice, dal, animal and vegetables are common. On special occasions, we eat a variety of food items. What are the food items made of? Before going to know the varieties of food, first of all you have to know about this. See here, World Food Day is celebrated every year across the world on 16th October and it's an annual celebration in the honor of the founding date of the FAO. What is meant by FAO? Food and Agriculture Organization, launched by the United Nations in the year 1945. The aim of celebration of this day is to promote worldwide awareness and action for those who suffer from hunger and for the need to ensure food security and nutritious diets for all. World Food Day adopts a different theme each year. And when is the World Food Day, children? 16th October. Next, coming to the food ingredients. I explained before what is meant by ingredients. What is the definition of ingredients? Materials are required to make a particular food items are called ingredients. See here, here they mentioned the ingredients of to prepare a boiled rice and ingredients of pulihora. What are the materials needed to make pulihora? Rice, oil, salt, tamarind, chilies, turmeric and asafoetida. What is meant by asafoetida? Asafoetida means ingua, we call that. And see, these are the ingredients to make pulihora. But at the same time, if you want to prepare boiled rice, what are the main ingredients want? Only raw rice and water. So coming to the table 3. Here ingredients of some food items. So you have to write what are the food items you know. See, for example, I will tell one. For example, kheer. What is meant by kheer? We also called as payasam. And what are the materials required to prepare payasam? Vermicelli, sugar, milk and ilachi powder and dry fruits. So, like that, you have to write your favorite food item and you have to note down the required ingredients. See, they given, do you know, according to the UNDP, what is meant by UNDP? United Nations Development Program, up to 40% of the food produced in India is wasted. How much percentage? 40%. According to FAO, what is meant by FAO? Food and Agriculture Organization estimates in the states of food security and nutrition in the world 2018 reports 195.9 million people are undernourished in India. So, let us know the sources of food materials or ingredients. Where do we get these materials or ingredients from? We get the ingredients from plants, vegetables, fruits, cereals and pulses. Ingredients from animals, eggs, milk, meat, etc. And ingredients from other sources is example of salt. So, is there any other source you can think of? Some of the food items and its ingredients have been listed below. Write the source of each ingredient in table 4. See children, they given in table 4 ingredients used to prepare food items and their sources. See, food items, cooked rice, and what are the ingredients are needed? Raw rice and water. And do you know where this rice came from? Yes, it is from plant, paddy plant. And also payasam. Now I told that vermicelli or semia, dry fruits, sugar and milk. And they didn't mention ilachi powder, but you have to add that ilachi powder. And do you know where do we get from these all materials? See, and after that you have to note down that where do we get from. Milk is from animals and remaining all also we will get from plants. And coming to the third one, chutney. And what are the materials required to prepare chutney? Groundnut or coconut and oil, chilies, salt. And like that you have to write your favorite food items and ingredients and where do we get that? In either plant or animal. And we get milk from cow and buffalo, but mutton from goat and sheep, chicken from hens and pork from pig. And what is the meat of pig? Pork. And eggs from birds. We get butter, cheese, ghee and curd from milk. And honey is also a good ingredient obtained from honeycomb. And it is clear that we get a variety of food ingredients from animal sources. Can you elaborate this list? Similarly, different parts of plants like leaves, flowers, fruits, etc. serve as very useful ingredients to make our food. And I told what are the items, what are the parts we are eating in the plant. Stems like sugarcane, onion, garlic, turmeric, ginger, etc. are also used in the preparation of food. Although the leaves, roots, seeds and fruits plants are widely used in the preparation of food, stems and flowers are also used. Thus, we use various parts of plants as our food. Salt is an important ingredient that we get from the sea. So, this salt is a mineral. So, coming to the table 5, here they given plant parts as food. So, you have to write the plant parts. Mango, in mango fruit what you can eat? Fruit. And mint, pudina, in this what you can eat? Leaves. Like that sugar cane, what is the eatable or edible part of the sugar cane? Say come on, stem. And potato, what is the part we can eat? This is also stem. And coming to the onion, so many people will confuse this, maybe they will think roots, but the correct answer is stem. Okay, this is also modified stem. And cauliflower, in this name only is there, we can eat the flower part only. And coming to the groundnuts, okay, these in this what we can eat? Only seeds. And tomato we can eat total fruit. And rice also we can eat seeds. Green gram also we can eat seeds. Cabbage is the leaf stored food. Leaf stored food. And coming to that, apple, what you can eat? Totally full of fruit. So these all are items also we can eat different types of different items of plant parts. We need several ingredients to cook different types of food. Whatever it may be, the source of the ingredients, plants, animals, water, we take some of them in large quantities and some of them we can take very less quantity. And we eat a variety of food items every day. Do we prepare them in the same way? No. So we are using different methods. So come on, today let us going to see the different methods of preparing food. What are the methods they given in our textbook? Methods of preparing food: boiling, steaming, fermentation, roasting, cutting and mixing. And also two more I told. What is that? Chopping and mixing, and another one is shallow frying. See, also they given some examples also. So you have to complete this table 6. And coming to that particular food item, how the taste will come? The taste will depends upon the particular food ingredients and also the process of preparation food item. And they given how to prepare upma. They given aim, what do you need and how to do and what do you see, and at last what do you learn. And prepare your favorite food item and write the procedure in preparing it. And you have to write your favorite food item in your CW book. And this is about vegetable carving. What is meant by vegetable carving? Making some designs with vegetables is called vegetable carving, and also we can use fruits also. And next topic is preservation of food. And what is meant by preservation? Keeping store in a particular place. See here the process. Food preservation is the process of treating and handling food to stop or slow down the spoilage. And if food is not preserved properly, it can be attacked by germs and get spoiled. Sometimes if you eat the food poisonous food, we can get that abdominal pain, diarrhea, vomitings, etc. and may eventually lead to death. Spoiling the food may lead to the food shortage and pollute the environment also. So it is very essential to preserve the food item properly. And how is the food preserved at your home? Do you know why the green mangoes and vegetables and meat are pickled? Why fish are dried or smoked? Why do we keep certain fruits in sugar syrup or honey? These all the certain methods of preserving food. The materials or substances that we use in the preserving food are called preservatives. And what are the preservatives? Natural preservatives and chemical preservatives. And what are the natural preservatives, children? Salt, oil, turmeric powder, sugar, honey. These are the natural preservatives. And coming to the chemical preservatives are benzoates, nitrates and sulfates. We have to know how to preserve the food and what are the types of preservatives. First of all, adding salt, chili powder and oil. So what are the items? We can use pickles. And coming, adding only salt. What is the example for this? Also fish, and adding sugar syrup. This is the example for cherries. And remaining 3 also you have to ask your grandparents, and after that you have to write in the textbook. Next one, how do people develop their food habits? People living in one region usually share common food habits. So you might have seen paddy fields near your village. In our state, geographical and climatic conditions are more suitable for growing paddy. Farmers cultivate various types of food crops other than paddy in our state. Rice is the main food for us. A variety of food items are prepared by using rice. We eat more rice and rice product as compared to other cereals like wheat or maize. And we have to eat other cereals like finger millets. What is the real name of finger millets? Ragulu. And pearl millets, these are called Sajjalu. And great millets is called Jonnalu. And foxtail millets is called as Korralu. And proso millets we called as Samalu, which are good for our health. See, you have to keep these all names in your mind. And many times we hear people are saying that I eat this food only or I don't eat that food. But this is not a good habit. In order to be healthy and energetic, eating all varieties of food is good except junk food or fast food because they can damage our health, and homemade food is always good, healthy and hygienic. Most of the people in our society are starving without food, but at the same time many people are wasting the food by cooking in large quantities and throwing away during functions even in our day-to-day life. So it's our duty as a responsible citizen to avoid wastage of food. So don't waste food. See here, think and discuss. Does everyone around you get enough food to eat? If not, why not? Say, so you have to think and answer here that question. And coming to our exercise part, improve your learning. They given fill in the blanks. Salt is obtained from sea. The materials which are required to prepare food are known as ingredients. What is the spelling of ingredients? INGREDIENTS, ingredients. We use preservatives to preserve food for some time. And fourth one, eating foods after the expiry date may damage our health. And coming to the choose the correct answer. The method of preparing idli is roasting or fermentation, steaming or boiling. What is the correct answer? Steaming. And coming to the second one, the source of sugar is it came from plant or animal or sea or all of these? What is the correct answer? Option A, plant. See children, match the following words from the group A with group B. See, first one, Ragulu. And what is the scientific name of Ragulu? Come on, say finger millets. And second one, Sajjalu. What is the scientific name? Pearl millet. And third one is Jonnalu. What is that answer? Yes, come on, say. That is great millet. And fourth one is Korralu. What is that meaning? Foxtail millet. And fifth one, Samalu. What is the scientific name? Proso millet. So you have to remind in so many times these all millets. Here they given answer the following questions. I will tell now, but you have to write your own notes in your CWs. See, what is the first question? Write some examples of animal and plant food materials. And what are the materials we are getting from the animals and what are the materials we will get from the plant? You have to write that. That is very easy. And second one, find out the ingredients of the given food items. First one, potato curry. So here first of all you have to write what are the materials required to prepare potato curry. And second one, coconut chutney. And third one, gulab jamun. And fourth one, pongali. And third one, how does food get spoilt? And write its effects on human health. So if we not preserve properly the food item, automatically our food gets spoiled. So what are the effects? After, of course, sometimes we can get abdominal pain and vomitings and also diarrhea. And next, coming to the fourth one, if you have a chance to meet a chef, what questions you will ask about preparing tasty food? And that questions you have to write in your own way. And fifth one, write down the process of making any food items which you like. So in our textbook they given how to prepare upma. So what are the favorite your food item? You have to write the aim, materials required, process and results. In the same way you have to write that process. And coming to the sixth one, draw some fruit and vegetable diagrams which you like most. Seventh one, prepare slogans on wastage of food. Here I wrote some waste. Food waste not. food waste not in good taste. That is one. And another one is someone is dying for the food you are throwing away. And here, eighth question, suppose fish or raw mango or lemons are given to you. How do you preserve them? See here, what is meant by fish? So, in the process of drying, and also we can use smoking for the fish for preservation. And second one is raw mango. So for raw mango, what we have to use? Some of the natural preservatives we have to use to preserve the raw mangoes. And coming to the lemons, we are using the method of drying. So keep in sunlight. And here they given activities and projects. First one, collect any wrapper of packaged food. Read the information in detail and answer the following questions. So, first of all, when you see that any food item wrapper, you have to see the manufacture date and expiry date. When it was manufactured and how long can we use it. And second one, what ingredients does it contain? Name them. And second one, list out the names of some plants that grow in your village. Which parts of it are used as food. And third one, with the help of your teachers, form groups of 5 or 6 students of your class. Make a fruit chart or vegetable salad and eat it. How did you feel? Write few lines about your experience. And fourth one, find out from your parents about the various methods of preserving food and write notes on it. Fifth one, collect information about the main food habits of different states of India. So you have to prepare one list. Refer in your school library books and discuss with your teacher and write a report on it. Collect information regarding our traditional food from your grandparents. Children, I hope you all are understood about this lesson. So you have to maintain one classroom notes and also you have to write these all question and answers, and as well as possible you can do this activity. First of all, you have to read the full of lesson and underline the hard words and new words. And if you have any doubt, I will tell you in next class. Thank you.